Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put your email onto an Apple device. Now, first of all, you're going to the settings. You then, on the left-hand side, have all these options. You go down until you find Mail, Contacts and Calendar. Now, if you have a newer iOS than this iPad, you will have a part here that says Account. Click on that instead. So we are going to go to Mail. Then on the right hand side, we have all the different options. Now we want to go to Add Account, which is this one here. And then we want to go to Other. And then the next step is to go to Add Mail Account. And then we put in the details. Okay, so I've put the email address and password in. The name is whatever you want it to show up as on your device. And the description is just the description that it needs. You then press Next, and at this point you fill in the details. So I've filled in the incoming mail servers. So this is your host name, which will be on the email that I've given you. The email username is always your email address, and the password is the password for your email. I'll do the same for the outgoing. Okay, so the outgoing server is the same. The host name will be whatever the host name for your outgoing mail server is. You will then have your username again, which is your email address, and your password, which is the password I gave you for your email address. These say optional on them, but you do need to put them in. You then go to the top, and there is a button that you press which says Next. I'll just so you can see it. Okay, so you press Next, and that will verify. Now this can take a few minutes, so don't worry if it's taking a while, and once it gets through, that should be all done. This is the next screen that comes up once it's verified, and it should just have these two options. It's up to yourself whether you want your notes to be able to go on it, but I usually just have mail. At this section, if you had, say, a Google or a Hotmail account, you could have your emails and calendar and things. That isn't a feature on IMAP emails. So then we just click Save, and that will add your account to the device. I now have that account here, so I can then edit it if need be. I should then be able to view my mail. I will go back to the home screen, and in my mail at the bottom, I should be able to go to my Cheska Day Design inbox. And I don't have anything in that email, so nothing shows up, but that's where it would show up. And that's how to do it on an iPad, iPhone, any Apple device.